Okay, so today we are opening up the Lego minifigures that they came out with. And before I open it, I'm going to guess, not really guess, I know what it is because I can feel it. And I'm going to tell you guys how to know what you're getting. So this one is Stitch. And you can tell, I have the head here, pretty round. But the main part you feel is the two ears. So I'm holding the two ears right here. You can totally feel those big ears, and they're on either side of his head. And to prove I haven't taken a peek or anything, as you can see, it's completely sealed still, so I haven't cheated. I'm going to open it in front of you guys, and I am positive this is Stitch just by feeling. I was right. So you could also feel the torso and the arms. It's pretty obvious giveaway, but the easiest is this round piece. It's pretty big, but it also has these ears that are easily feelable. So let's put them together. Now, it weirdly only comes with 2 guns. He's always seen with 3 guns. So it'd be nice if it came with an extra gun, but otherwise this minifigure I feel like is perfect. There's printing on the feet, printing on the whole legs actually with those knee pads, printing on the arms. Not only that, but there's 2 arms, well, 4 arms. This is the 626 Stitch is what they call him, because that was his like number in the lab that he was created. So that is Stitch from the 100th anniversary Lego minifigure series, and that is how you guess just by feeling his ears or his arms that for sure you got Stitch.